In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to graph in Microsoft Word. Whether you're presenting data for a school project, compiling a report for work, or just love organizing data visually, incorporating graphs into your Word documents can elevate the presentation and make your data easily digestible. Let's dive into the step-by-step process on how you can create graphs directly in Microsoft Word, making your documents more impactful and visually appealing. To start, we need to navigate to the Microsoft Word application on your computer. The easiest way to begin is by clicking on the Windows Start menu. It's located in the bottom left corner of your screen, symbolized by the Windows logo. Clicking here will bring up a menu packed with applications, settings, and search options. Once the Start menu is open, you'll want to use the search bar. Just start typing Word, and before you know it, Microsoft Word should appear in the search results. A quick tip here is to ensure you're typing accurately to prevent any unrelated apps or documents from popping up. After you've located Microsoft Word in your search results, simply click on it. This action prompts the application to launch, ready for you to start creating or editing documents. Now that you have Microsoft Word open, it's time to select where you want to begin. For our purposes, we're starting from scratch, so you should go to Word Home. Here you'll find an array of options, including templates for specific types of documents. However, for graph creation, we'll begin with a clean slate. Click on Blank Document. This creates a new, untitled Word document for you to work with. It's an empty canvas awaiting your input, and in this case, a new graph. With your new document open, navigate your cursor to the top menu and click on Insert. Here you're introduced to a variety of additional elements you can add to your document, beyond just text. Everything from images, hyperlinks, headers, and, you guessed it, charts. Under the Insert menu, find and click on Chart. A new window will pop up showcasing a variety of chart types: bar, pie, line, area, scatter, among others. Each chart type serves a different purpose, depending on the data you wish to present and how you want it displayed. Spend a moment considering what story you want your data to tell. For example, a pie chart is excellent for showing parts of a whole, while a line chart excels at depicting trends over time. Once you select the chart type that best fits your needs, click on it and then press OK. Microsoft Word will automatically generate a placeholder graph along with an Excel window. This Excel window allows you to input or paste your specific data. The chart in your Word document will update in real time as you alter the data in Excel. This synchronization between Word and Excel is a powerful feature, making it incredibly straightforward to customize your graph to precisely represent your data. After you've entered your data and are satisfied with how your chart looks, you can close the Excel window. Back in Microsoft Word, you can further customize the appearance of your chart through the Chart Design and Format tabs that appear in the toolbar when the chart is selected. These options let you tweak the style and layout of your graph, offering control over colors, text, and legend placement. Creating graphs in Microsoft Word not only brings a visual element to your documents, but also aids in the clearer communication of complex data. Remember, a well-presented graph can tell a story beyond numbers, making your document more engaging and informative. We've covered everything from launching Microsoft Word, selecting a blank document, navigating to the Insert menu, choosing the right chart for your data, and finally, customizing your graph to perfectly suit your document. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to effectively integrating graphs into your Word documents, enhancing both their appearance and impact. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on how to graph in Microsoft Word. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves organizing data, the skills you've learned today will help you bring your documents to the next level. Feel free to revisit any section of this video if you need a refresher on any of the steps. Happy graphing, and until next time, keep exploring the powerful features of Microsoft Word to make your documents shine.